Think making money on YouTube takes years? Think again. I'm going to show you how to build a faceless YouTube channel that can realistically earn $100 a week without showing your face, using your voice, or spending a dime on ads. If I were starting from scratch today, here's exactly what I'd do, step by step. Let's be real. $100 a week might not sound like much, but for a brand new faceless channel, that's huge. That's $400 a month in extra income while you sleep. And more importantly, it proves the model works. So if I were starting over today with no subscribers, no videos, and no money, here's how I'd build a channel to $100 a week from scratch. Step 1, pick the right niche. Not all faceless niches are equal. You need one with high demand, low competition, and potential for monetization. Here are a few I'd consider: AI tools and tutorials, personal finance, side hustle ideas, faceless, YouTube tips, yes, meta, but it works. Motivational or productivity videos. Pick one. Stick with it for at least 30 days. Consistency wins. Step 2, create repeatable video framework. You don't want to reinvent the wheel each time. Instead, build a simple formula you can use over and over. Hook, problem, solution, or list call to action. This makes scripting, editing, and uploading 10 times faster. If you're using tools like Pictory, 11 Labs, and Canva, this becomes mostly drag and drop. Step 3, add affiliate links from day one. Here's the secret most beginners miss. You don't need to wait for AdSense to make money. You can earn commissions on AI tools you mentioned, like 11 Labs, Pictory, digital planners, Notion templates, Amazon products. Even with just 100 views per video, you can convert a few clicks into dollars. Add those links in your descriptions from video 1. Step 4, upload 2 times a week for 30 days. Most people quit before they get results. You want results? Commit to uploading at least 2 times per week for the next 30 days. This gives you a portfolio of content to test more chances to hit a trending keyword, real data to improve with. Step 5, track and tweak. Watch your analytics. Which videos get the most views, watch time, and affiliate clicks? Double down on what's working, drop what's not. Your $100 per week channel won't come from random guessing. It'll come from fast testing. This is the same process I'm using, and the same one you can use today. Start with what you have, build as you go. And remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you learn. Subscribe if you want more real step-by-step strategies for faceless YouTube. And let's build this together.